Hi, this is Chuck Oliver. Welcome to this week's Hidden Wealth Solution Review. Well, the emphasis is saving taxes is the point I want to get across in this week's review. And several of you have reached out, sharing a couple different perspectives. One, the frustrations of the overtax you paid. I had a particular client reach out this week and said, it's what I wish I would have looked at closer with you in mitigating taxes through the Hidden Wealth Solution Tax Savings Program last year, because obviously the damage is done and I paid way more to Uncle Sam than I should have. I really want to get on this and get out in front of this for 2018, especially with the fact of just having to write a sizable check for my tax liability that was overpaid for 2017. Others of you have started to show concerns about when to elect Social Security and how much of your Social Security will be taxed. Will it be taxed up to 50%? Will it be taxed up to 85%? And then one particular client shared, because of some forced distributions as well as a capital gain, they're very concerned about what their Medicare Part B and D premiums will be raised for them. But the good news to all of these scenarios is that with the proper tax planning, taxes can be cut, taxes can be saved, and the savings of tax can be redirected towards you and your cash flow, your retirement funding. For those that are already retired, we had somebody inquire, well, I'm already retired, how can you help me? Well, some of that help may be eliminating your required minimum distributions that may be triggering 50 or 85% of your Social Security being exposed to tax, or some of these required minimum distributions and capital gains may be exposing you to having to pay higher Medicare Part D and premiums. I'm going to teach an introduction this coming Tuesday of how to really get as close to a 0% tax bracket as you can, not just on the income that supplements your lifestyle, but also to make sure that there's income sources that you can use that fly under the radar of having to be counted towards what gets counted in the calculation of 50 to 85% of your Social Security getting taxed, or the government forcing higher Medicare Part D and B premiums on you. Simply go to retirementprotected.com. That's retirementprotected.com. And let me teach you. We strongly encourage spouses to attend together. In about an hour, it's a log on and learn complimentary educational webinar where many of you have said, wow, I wish I would have learned this 20 or 30 years ago. Folks, we've got a really unique window I was discussing with a client just this past week of about 4 years with one particular legal tax offset strategy that window closes quickly, as well as the new tax reform plan for you baby boomers and business owners that's quickly going to close in about 6.5 years. Simply go to retirementprotected.com, that's retirementprotected.com, and take advantage of not only learning how to save tax, but save the most tax you can while the tax advantages under the new tax reform plan are here. Here's to you finding your hidden wealth.